everyone, welcome to Southern Wreaths. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, share my video, and be sure to hit the notification bell so you can know when I post a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really simple star wreath. These are the supplies I'm going to use to make this wreath. I just have a Dollar Tree star frame, some pretty much solid ribbon. I didn't want anything with too much pattern because of the way it's going to be wrapped. And I have some zip ties. I'm not sure where this ribbon came from, but I'll do my best to link to something similar. So to start, I'm going to start in the center. And I'm just going to attach this underneath. Right here in the crease, I'm going to use my zip tie. Pull it tight and trim it away. Going to kind of move the zip tie so it's not poking out, but it'll get covered up as I wrap. And now I'm going to make sure the pretty side's facing out. I'm going to start wrapping. Go ahead and tighten that up a little bit so it's easier to loop through. The fun thing about this is that you can use any color ribbons that you like. So you can make your star any color you want. So right here, I'm just trying to keep it on one side and just kind of attaching it right here. To make my life a little bit easier, I am going to use some hot glue. So what I'm going to do is just add a line, and I mean like the smallest line, because I don't want to melt the ribbon or anything like that, and then just overlap it. And then it'll just catch. And that way you can't see any of the hot glue, but it's there. Okay, so for this, I do want to add some hot glue to the actual wire frame because I want this ribbon, this particular piece of ribbon, to sit on this line. I'm going to pull it up to the tip and just kind of smooth it out. And I only added it to the top part. You don't have to do the entire thing. Okay, so when I get to the top up here, I'm going to take this piece, tuck it in, and then pull this down straight. And you can see it makes it straight there. Then pull it up through here. Then I'm going to do the same thing with a little bit of hot glue right here. And I am not using a lot of hot glue at all. Just the tiniest little amount just to keep it, just to tack it there. So what's fun about this wreath, it does not have to look perfect. I just think it's so pretty with some of the wrinkles, and the light hits it differently, and it's just really pretty. Add some glue here. Now I'm just going to keep tacking it down with glue and wrapping. once I am done wrapping, I am going to figure out how to get this the zip tie under the frame so I can attach it, because I don't want it to come undone. I mean, hot glue would work, but it still makes me a little bit nervous only using hot glue for something like that. So I'm just kind of tucking it under the frame. I'm going to pull the ribbon in and tighten it. Make sure it's pulled through correctly from the front. And tighten. Trim that away, and then trim my ribbon away. And then just kind of push the zip tie towards the front. I think what I'm going to do is just glue this little piece of ribbon over top of the zip tie, just to kind of cover up anything that might get sharp. Be careful, hot glue is hot. Alright, and finally, I'm going to go through and fix all of the little pieces that are loose with some glue. So, like right here, there's a bubble. So I'm just going to pull it up like that and then just glue it in place just to tighten it up. Again, be careful. You can use, I think they make like silicone finger things, which would be great for this. I will say that there are pieces of the frames poking through. So what I might do is pull that down a little bit and add some glue. For the most part, this thing looks really good. I like the creases and stuff. I really like the way they look. It makes it extra shiny. The way the light catches it, it's really pretty. So like right here, I know it might be hard to see, but there's a piece of the frame sticking out. So I'm just going to try to pull this ribbon down a little bit to maybe cover it up. Add just a smidge of glue, maybe that'll keep it softer. Yep, that looks a lot better. I think that's the prettiest one. So what I'm going to do is make a holder so that it can be hung. Just going to take my pipe cleaner and feed it underneath the wire. If I can, I don't want it to poke through the ribbon. You could also use a piece of wire if you wanted to. And I just kind of created a hook with the tip of it to keep it from sticking straight through the ribbon. I'm going to measure how big. I think I'm going to add some hot glue to keep it in its place. And then I'm going to kind of turn it this way. I want the hot glue to, I don't want it to soak into the ribbon too much. And twist. Then I'm just kind of twisting it into the other piece of the pipe cleaner. So just kind of making my way down the pipe cleaner. Or you could trim it away, whichever. And now there's a hook. Alright, that's it. That's how I've made my wreath using the Dollar Tree star frame and just some ribbon and hot glue. If y'all have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can email me at craftingwithlee@yahoo.com. Thank you so much for watching, and if y'all learned anything today or like my video, please like, share, subscribe. And be sure to hit the the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And also think about checking out my Wreath group. It's $1.99 a month here on YouTube. Thank you.